What's up, DTV fans? Welcome to another episode of Infinite DTV. Let's get into it right now. Today is a really special day on top of the projects that I have going on. First, I want to throw out a happy birthday to my best friend, Christina. You are now at your quarter-year life crisis, so make the next years count. It's vital. So I want to pay some homage to her, put on a throwback video of one year that I DJ'd at her birthday party. Check it out.
I wish my cupcake on that. It was so worth it.
That's the one that was in the mouth.
Oh my god.
I literally wasted my entire cupcake.
Oh my god!
Mad cute, dude. Mad.
Oh, he did it to us.
So today is going to be a pretty busy day for me. I got some projects that I got to take care of. One in specific is my girlfriend's car. Looks as if something rusted out underneath. Mainly one of the pipes. I got to take a closer look at it and see if there's anything that I can do to repair it or at least jimmy rig it. Not really going to know for sure unless I get on there and take a look. Just going to show you what I picked up. Yes, this is Mace. 2 exhaust clamps. I got a 2 1/4, and then I also picked up a 1 7/8. And to go along with that, I grabbed an adapter, 2 1/4 to 1 7/8. Hoping that I can slide this into one side and then slide the other side of the pipe right into the other. This is what the car sounded like. I mean, it's no wonder why it's making that noise. I mean, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure out that something's not right here. Right now, I'm gonna find myself a couple jack stands, prop this car up, get a look underneath. There's the one. Perfect. Now we just gotta find the other one. Where could you be? Motherfucker. Shit. Got the jack stands. Very important detail. Make sure the parking brake is up. Don't forget that, or you will die. Added bonus, if you guys don't know what this is, it's not a giant skateboard or a longboard, it's a creeper. This is very beneficial when you're rolling underneath the cars. Even got a little pillow there. Alright, let's see what we got to work with here. That's what it looks like, as expected. Looks like it rusted out. I don't got any WD with me. There's no way I'm getting these bolts out. I mean, the pipe's semi-rusted. Could be in better shape, but it's not worth getting an entire new exhaust for. So I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm not sure if I can put the 1 7/8 in this side and attach it with the 2 1/4 right here. So I was just going through the parts, seeing if I have everything, and I don't. The 1 7/8 exhaust clamp came with everything. And then when I went to go and open the 2 1/4 exhaust clamp, well, look what's missing. The nuts. Thanks, Pet Boys. Quality products. Somebody probably just dug through and just grabbed. Who the fuck just goes in to exhaust clamp boxes just to grab nuts? I mean, come on. I got plenty of stuff here. I'm sure I'll be able to find what I need. I mean, it's just... I mean, look at this. Look at this fucking box of shit. I got more stuff, and then I got more stuff. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to find a match. So, I just went to go and fit the adapter on, and clearly it's way too big. And going back and forth and trying to find parts to match, I just took the entire end off. Just make one trip out of it. So I just literally got out from Napa Auto Parts. Napa know-how, and they do not have the adapter that I'm looking for, so I'm going to have to jimmy rig this. Find some straight pipe to throw inside. I got the diameter of 1 3/8, which is a part that no stores in Connecticut sell to go to a 1.5" OD. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Hoping that, you know, a muffler shop right across the street from where I am right now, or like Advanced Auto Parts, something around there, has a pipe that I can use. I don't know what's gonna happen. This day just got a whole lot longer. So once again, I had no luck at Monroe. They did not have a piece of pipe to fit inside the 1 3/8 diameter. So to compromise, I picked up a piece to fit over the pipe. The only problem with that though is I have to cut pipe now. Not only do I have to cut it at the flange, but I also have to cut it at the end of the other side, because there's a giant lip, as you could see in the video. To top it off, I also gotta cut off this. So I mean, the day just got a little bit longer, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work, because it's the only way it'll work. Let's get to cutting some pipe.
It fits perfect.
So I finally cut the piece with the flange, and yeah, let's have a look at what we got going on here. So there it is, removed. Cut the piece up. Oh man, what a hack job that was. I had a shitty ass angle though, but I got off and that's all that matters. Time to put the adapter on and seal it shut with some exhaust clamps. Perfect. Alright. It's time to do a little test run. Alright, go ahead.
It sounds beautiful.
Sounds beautiful.
It sounds beautiful, baby.
It's a lot quieter than I thought.
Yes. Thank you.
You want to take a ride?
Yeah.
Actually sounds exactly the way it did. Wow, it's a lot quieter than I thought. I cranked the hell out of those clamps, so. Alright, so that's pretty much gonna do it for this week's episode. If you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button down below, like it, comment, share it with your friends. Until next week, I will catch you guys later.